Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing what I have inside my in-flight essentials kit. If that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. This is something I bring on every flight. I've tried different pouches over time, but this is my current setup and I love it. Along with this kit, I also pack my usual essentials like my bathroom kit. I have a full video going over what I have inside my personal item bag, so I'll link that for you guys. So I have what I call an in-flight ritual. It starts way before I even get to the airport. I make sure I download movies and shows onto my iPad, and then I double check everything the night before, and after I do that, I place my bag and or luggage near the front door. Once I'm at the airport, I always take Dramamine about 30 to 40 minutes before boarding. I'm a nervous flyer and I do get nauseous, so Dramamine helps me chill out. When I get to my seat, I wipe that down, the tray table, the seat belt, and then I sit down and put my personal item under the seat in front of me. Then I take this kit out along with my water and iPad. That way I have everything next to me. I put my headphones on, turn on my show, usually Friends, and doing all that really helps me relax and enjoy the flight. In this kit, I have meds, comfort items, beauty, hygiene, entertainment, and just in case items. So this is what the pouch looks like. It comes with two pouches. You can close it using this magnetic closure, just like that. You could also separate the two pouches if you needed to. And you can put it back together. This comes in many different colors. I just picked the lavender. So let's go ahead and start with this side. That's what it looks like. On the top, I have a mirror. And this is a tiny Charlotte Tilbury mirror. I have my fan. This fan has helped me plenty of times on a flight. Keeps me nice and cool. It has different speeds. And you can lay it down just like that. Well, let's see. There. So I always like to bring this on a flight. And there's also a flashlight on the bottom. I have a Ziploc bag. This is a quart size. And a doggy poop bag just in case. You can use this for your trash. Also in here I have my drinks packet. I have an electrolytes drink. This is Ultima Pink Lemonade. That's my favorite flavor. I have a Stress Ease tea bag. I also have some Manuka honey. I have ginger tea. I have this Peak Matcha. There's organic stevia and this True Lemon packet, which is really good. I like to put that in my water. So there's that. Next, I have a mini Lara bar. This is the lemon flavor. I have some mints, Simply Mints, and a sewing kit. Playing cards. Okay, next I have my Tatcha serum stick. I love using this on a flight because you don't need to touch your face and it relieves my dry skin. I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch in here. I have my charging cord and corded headphones. And a few more items on this side. I have a pen, a towelette disc. You just add water to this and it becomes a washcloth. I have my chapstick. This is Burt's Bees chapstick. My lips get extra dry when I'm on the plane, so I love having that on hand. And then I have a nail cutter. So that is everything in this section. Let's put everything back in. If you're familiar with my channel, you'll see that a lot of these items are repeat items. This is honestly everything that is helpful for me during a flight. Okay, so that is everything back in there. I was debating on getting a different fan, something that's flat, because this one is round. Let me know if you guys have something better. Okay, and then on this side, I have tons of items. That's what it looks like. First item I have is a mask. I know you don't have to wear this anymore, but I like to wear this on a plane, especially if I hear people coughing. So this is good to have on hand. Tissues. I don't go anywhere without tissues. I have Salonpas patches. These are really good if you have a backache or any muscle pain. I have this self-heating eye mask. This is really comforting. It helps me sleep like a baby. Let me show you. All you do is open it. And don't worry, I will use this when I am done filming. But you open it and you put this around your ears. And this is warming. It's starting to warm up now. It has a very faint lavender scent. Very comforting to wear. The eye mask comes in a box of 20. And I have a shout wipe just in case you spill anything on yourself. Few wipes back here. I have a deodorant wipe. This is from EO. Baby wipes. These are my favorite. If you are familiar with my channel, you know I always bring baby wipes with me. And a hand sanitizing wipe. This is alcohol. I have some cough drops in here, Ricola. I have a mint and also some ginger candy. And let's see, I have earplugs just in case. Floss and Colgate Wisp just in case. I have peppermint gum. Peppermint also helps relieve nausea, and you can chew gum to help pop your ears. I have some gloves just in case. Emergency. I take this every time we go on vacation and I haven't gotten sick, knock on wood. So I always load up on this. I have some Purell singles. I have medication, Imodium, Benadryl. And let's see, I have Bonine. I like to take this if I get motion sickness, but I don't want to fall asleep. Dramamine knocks me out. This does not. And I have Tylenol and ibuprofen. And a few more items. I have my chopsticks. I always like to bring these. I have some Sustain eye drops just in case my eyes get really dry on the plane. And this little mini shaver just in case I need that. I've never had any issues bringing this with me. So all of these items fit in that pouch. You're probably wondering, if you're familiar with my channel, why I don't have my multi-tool. I love bringing my multi-tool with me. However, I did have a friend recently get hers confiscated along with her nail cutter, which is odd. So just remember that the TSA agent has the final say when it comes to your items getting through. So if you don't want to risk your multi-tool getting confiscated, don't bring it with you. And let me put a mask. So this video was short and sweet, but I have shown a lot of these items before. This is just a different pouch. But honestly, this kit gives me peace of mind. If you want to create your own, you can totally customize it based on your needs. Just think about what you always wish you had within reach on a flight, and that's what should go in your kit. And it doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't need to be this pouch. You can use any pouch you have at home, or even a gallon Ziploc bag works perfectly. So let me know in the comments down below what your must-have in-flight essentials are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!